nagbukas ng flood control issue because, you know, the narrative that they wanted to present to the public, kasi ito mainstream media, hawak niya, putang ina po din yung mainstream media mo, hawa mo. Tinuod man, ay mo kalain na, gato mga trabahante, ang mga tag-iya, anak, mga tag-iya, fuck you. So they wanted to, you know, form this narrative that Marcos, Bongbong Marcos, is the savior. So, PowerPoint pa, nga murag kinsang maestro ang gago. Oh, these are the contractors that, you know, had ghost projects. Contractor? O ikaw? Nga na ka... Utang ina. Scammer. Scammer ng tawhana gyud. Scammer gyud. Hindi, kita nyo naman. Magkasama sila ng kapatid ko, ng Vice President. Ito lang yung, I want to put out this argument ba. They started destroying the reputation of the Vice President with the 125 million confidential funds. But how much have we lost? How much money have we lost in the flood control projects? More or less $2 billion. And now they want to impeach the Vice President? Sige, sabihin na natin na totoo yan dalawa. Just to be objective about the issue. 2 billion against 125 million, who will you impeach first? Putang ina ng gago. Anyway, optics kasi yan. And when 120 billion wasn't enough, you know, ginawa na nilang 6 billion, they added more figures to it. Yan, gago na mainstream media yan. Yan yung ilalabas nila. So that they, you know, people, they want to influence the people. Because mainstream media is stitched with pop culture. And people do not, you know, are used to looking at mainstream media and pop culture. Kaya yung tao, nagugoyo ng administrasyon na to kasi hawak nila yung media eh. So anyway, alam ko naman, isa-splice pa rin nila yung sasabihin ko. But again, fuck you.